The question is that what is the best way of teaching in elementary level? I'm sorry, miss, but for me there is no such the best way of teaching in any type of level, whether it's kindergarten or college level. It's because that based on my understanding, teaching is all about passing the knowledge from our mind to the students. And so it means that it's all about the students. And students has different learning patterns. And as a teacher, we should understand that patterns. And if we already understand that patterns, then the best way of teaching will come to our mind automatically. So that's it. There is no such best way until I know their learning patterns. That's all, this thing.